In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Extensions. By the end, you'll know how to connect the apps you rely on and ask Gemini questions that pull in exactly the information you need. First, open your Gemini account. You can do this on the web or in the app. Just make sure you're signed in to the correct account you use for your daily work. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll usually find this as a gear icon, typically in the sidebar or menu. Inside Settings, look for Connected Apps. This is where Gemini Extensions live. You'll see options to connect services that can enhance what Gemini can do for you. Toggle on the extension you want to use, turn on the main Gemini Extensions switch, and then enable the specific apps you prefer. For example, if you want Gemini to reference your Google Workspace items, make sure that one is on. You may be asked to grant permissions. Take a moment to read what access is being requested and approve it if you're comfortable. You're always in control here. You can come back and turn things off at any time. Once you've toggled on the extensions you need, you're ready to use them. Go to the search bar or prompt field in Gemini and ask a question that uses the extension you activated. For instance, I'll type, "What's the task for tomorrow?" Because I turned on the Google Workspace integration, Gemini can look at my Google tasks and return the items due tomorrow. You should see a clear response that includes your tasks, often with due dates and list names if those are available. If you don't see what you expect, double-check that the right extension is toggled on and that you're signed into the same account where your data lives. Also, the clearer your question, the better the result. Adding context like the list name, a date, or a project can help Gemini find the right information faster. From here, feel free to continue the conversation. You can ask follow-up questions to refine what you're seeing, like requesting more details or asking Gemini to summarize the results. The key idea is simple. Enable the extensions you want in connected apps, then ask in natural language and let Gemini do the heavy lifting by bringing your connected data into the answer. That's all you need to start using Gemini extensions with confidence. Try enabling the apps you rely on most, ask a question in the search bar, and watch how much faster your workflow becomes.